Okay, tan 2a. 2 tan a by. Okay, now sin 2a in terms of tan a. Okay, fine. Write down applications of trigonometry. Yesterday we have done a little bit, but today we'll see this in detail. Tree broken down, right? I'll discuss that. Don't worry. Okay, yesterday we have seen. Slow down the fan. Fan को slow करो. Vivek, fan को slow करो. Otherwise you go to sleep. Okay. Yesterday we have seen applications of trigonometry. Tell me, where is trigonometry applied? Application. It is used in right angle, but applied in heights and distance. Okay. Look at this slide. The first 5 minutes of this class, okay, you can understand where trigonometry is applied, and very important, highly scoring. What is this? Which mountain? Yeah. Which Everest? Mount Everest. What is the height of Mount Everest? 8848 meters. How much it is? Right, on geography question. 8848 meter. The highest peak in India, or the highest peak in the world, right now. The highest peak in the world is Mount Everest. 8848 meters. Mathematics. Mathematics. Okay. The highest mountain, that is peak, is Mount Everest. So what is the height you have written? 8848 meters. Okay. So tell me how to measure this. Do you have any measuring tape? Then with rope, did you measure it with rope? कैसे measure करेंगे इसको? Okay. Look at this. First 5-10 minutes, nobody will talk. Arun, don't disturb. You can also look here. Mount Everest. What is its height? I have to measure its height. How can we measure it? It is impossible to measure with a measuring tape. Correct? Now if you see, imagine you can see a boy staring at a small stream, and if I want to check the breadth of this bank, okay, if I want to check what is the length of the or the width of this river, how can I do it without taking the measuring tape? Okay, so it is difficult, impractical by using the measuring tape. Next, what is this here? Eiffel Tower. Where do you have this? Paris. Okay. नजर इधर होना चाहिए, इधर नहीं. ठीक है. हाँ. What is that? Eiffel Tower. So it is one of the 7 wonders of the world. 7 wonders of the world. ठीक है. Why this was built? Can anyone tell me? Gift? No, that was lantern wala, Statue of Unity. Okay, this was an industrial exhibition in Paris many years back, and after the exhibition is over, this will be dismantled. So in Paris, they used to follow one method that build something during industrial exhibition and then dismantle. But when this was built, okay, to attract the industries or the people, even after the exhibition got over, people started coming and taking photos. They are coming to see this. So the France government, they decided, we will keep this and we will keep it safe. We will not dismantle this. So that's how it is called as Eiffel Tower. Okay, and it was built for an industrial exhibition. But suppose if I want to measure its height, if I want to measure its height, how will I do it? Okay, so that is the question. So now this three has a common thing, measuring the distance or the height. So this is called as heights and distance, and this can be used with the help of trigonometry. So before that, we need to learn some important terms: line of sight, horizontal line, angle of elevation, and angle of depression. Write down all these 4 points in your notebook quick. Line of sight, horizontal line, angle of elevation, and angle of depression. an angle of depression. हो गया? Done? Okay. Eyes on the screen now once again. So here there is Raj and he is going to help you out to explain different terms. So what is the meaning of line of sight? Imagine Raj is here. Okay, he's standing here and he's observing the cow. Correct? Observer and the object. So the straight line which I am drawing here now. Okay, can you see the straight line? This is called as what? Line of sight or the imaginary line. Okay, that is connecting the observer and the object. This is called as line of sight. Okay. Next, let us see a few more example. Now Raj is observing what? The door of the tree house. So can you see the door now? So observer and the object. Observer and the object. So the line is drawn and this line is called as what? Line of sight. Do you understand? Okay. Next. Now he is going to observe a beautiful flower lying on the ground. Correct? Observer and the object and there is a line and this is called as line of sight. Okay. Now he wants an apple. So observer and the object, this is called as line of sight. Did you all understand? So we have different line of sight based on the object, observer and the object. Okay. Next, what is the meaning of angle of elevation? What is the meaning of elevation? Height. Okay, we have seen yesterday that now Raj is looking at the tree. Okay, so what is this straight line I am drawing now here? Line of sight. Good. Now, the line passes during the eyes parallel to the ground. Okay, imagine it is all parallel. This is called as the horizontal line. Because I want an angle now, so I will draw an horizontal line. Now, he looks at the top of the tree. Can you see a red dot coming up? Okay, so Raj is looking at the top of that tree. Okay, this is the observer and this is the object and I am drawing a line. Okay, so what is this called as? Line of sight. So now here if you see the line, it is making an angle. So this angle is called as angle of elevation. This angle is called as what? Angle of elevation. Did you all understand? Okay, so this is always measured in theta. Okay, angle can be measured in theta, alpha, beta, gamma, anything. And one more thing, I told you one clue yesterday. In heights and distance and in trigonometry, your angle will be between 0 to 90 degree. It will never cross 90 degree. Because if it goes above 90 degree, heights and distance, you cannot use it. If you want to use, you have to change it to the first quadrant. Sine, cos, you have to change. Okay, all these things. So look at this now. So here you have angle of depression. So imagine here there is a house and this is Raj house and he is on the balcony and now this is one imaginary horizontal line. Okay, and he is watching down now. Okay, he is observing the ground. He is the observer and the object is the flowers there. So this is called as what? Line of sight. Correct? This is called as what? Line of sight. And the angle made here. Okay, what is this angle here? Angle of depression. This is called as what? Angle of depression. So this is also measured in theta. Okay. Shamant, are you understanding? Yeah? Okay, good. Now, let us change a different thing. Now, for example, again, this is horizontal line. And what's coming up here? Is it a crow or an eagle? Okay. Let us take it as a bird now. Parrot. Kala parrot kidhar hai? Okay. So imagine this is a bird. Now this Raj is looking at this bird. Okay. So when the angle goes up, line of sight, this is called as angle of elevation. When the angle goes down, the angle is called as angle of depression. Up means elevation, down means depression. Okay. Okay. Next. So these are the things that we have seen now. Angle of depression. Did you all understand? So some points to be remembered while drawing the figures to solve the problems. All the height of the object such as towers, trees, building, etc. shall be considered as line segment perpendicular to the ground. Ground and the building, always you should make line, straight line, 90 degree. Okay. Now don't ask a question that, sir, what if I draw a line of a Pisa, leaning tower Pisa? Correct? What is the specialty of Leaning Tower Pisa? Yes, tower is bended, right? Okay. Now look at this. What is this here? European Qutub Minar, it look like, right? Okay. So always you should take any building, any tree, any pole, okay, straight on the ground. The ground should be here like this. Okay. Imagine this black line is the ground and this is the building, and what angle it is making here? 90-degree. Okay. So did you all understand here? Okay. Now imagine this is the tree. Okay. And the tree, I will make a straight line to the ground, straight line, and I want which degree here? 90-degree. The first point you should measure here. Remember here. So building and the ground 90-degree. Next, the height of the observer is neglected. Okay, the height of the observer. Imagine Raj was a boy who was watching eagle, he was watching a flower, he was watching a cow. Don't consider the height of the boy. You understand? You should take it as a point. You should take it as a point. समझ में आया? So now imagine, what is this here? Helicopter, and he is a man. Now this man is watching this helicopter. Don't take this man height as 6 feet. Okay, adding 6 feet, the angle of elevation, something like that. Don't do like that. Directly you can take it as a point. Okay, and then you can make an angle. Do you all understand? So these two things are there. Ready for the question? I think you have done this question yesterday. Immediately start solving it. Don't write the question. Those who know can start solving. Yes, Vivek. A circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of a vertical pole to the ground. Find the height of the pole if the angle made by the rope with the ground level is 30-degree. Heights and distance will be asked in IMA exams also. CDS IMA, SSC GD, SSC MTS. Okay, everywhere. This is 10th standard level mathematics. Yes, you got it? Nahi? जो नए हैं, the new candidates, write down the question. The old candidates, try to answer the questions. Yes, Ismail, what happened? You got the answer. कितना मिला? 10 meters? Yes, Pujita, what happened? No? Okay, look here. A circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope. Imagine this is a circus. Look here, everyone. I'm explaining solutions. This is the circus, and this is a pole, and there is something. Here there is something. A pole here tied up. 20-meter long rope. What is the length of the rope here? They have told 20-meter. So can you draw a diagram like this? And what you should remember, the pole should be 90-degree with the 90-degree with the ground. Okay. So now what happens? Here you have a artist, and this artist is going to climb the pole. Yeah. Did you all understand now? Okay. He is going to climb. Now what is the question they are telling? Find the height of the pole and the angle made. The angle made they have given 30-degree. What is the height of the pole? This height they are asking. Okay. And the rope is making. What is the angle of the rope and the ground? What is the angle? 30-degree. So can I write here 30? Okay. Now you have sine, cos, tan, secant, cosecant, 6 things. Angle is given opposite and hypotenuse. Opposite and hypotenuse. So which value you will take? Are you sure? So let us take now triangle ABC. Okay, so I am drawing a triangle ABC. You have to draw a diagram like this. Okay, so look at the solution. AC is the hypotenuse. The length of the rope is 20 centimeter, and the AB is taken as height. I don't know the height. Observer angle is C. Correct? How much degree they have given? 30-degree. Okay, the opposite side and the hypotenuse side. Opposite side and the hypotenuse side. Yes, you are right. What values I am going to take? Sine. So sine 30 is equal to AC by, AB by AC. So what happens now here? Sine 30 का value कितना है? 10th में किया है? Yes. So 1 by 2. I will write it here. And what is the value of AB? H. This is what I have to find. Correct? No. And AC is 20. So what is the height I am getting here? Height is 10. How many of you got height as 10? That's it. This is the answer. The height of the pole is 10 meter. Easy? Right. Chalo. Ready for the next question? Okay. A kite is flying at a height of 60 meter above the ground. A string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to the ground. The inclination of the string with the ground is 60 degree. Find the length of the string, assuming that there is no slack in the string. We have done this yesterday, but without turning the pages, do it now. New candidates, write down the question and try it. Yes, Mila, Saugat, which chapter you are doing? 40 root 3. कल आपको क्या मिला था कुछ अलग? No, divide by something you got. No, 120. 120 by root 3. Correct? You are doing, some guys were doing mistake. You were doing mistake yesterday, right? Okay, look here now. So what is flying high here now? Kite. But here kite means a bird or something which you fly. Hmm. So ये है kite and there is a string. Okay. And I am going to assume from this to the ground it is straight line, and this is how much degree here? 90 degree. Correct? So the height of the kite is how much? 60 meter. Correct? And what is the angle of inclination they are telling? The angle of inclination to the ground is 60 degree. Okay, so now what I have to find? Find the length of the string. That means in this right angle triangle, I want to find the hypotenuse. Yes or no? I want to find the hypotenuse. So in triangle ABC, I have to find the hypotenuse. Now angle is given opposite side by hypotenuse. So once again, what will I use here? Sine. So sine 60 I have to use here. Imagine opposite by hypotenuse. Correct? Tan नहीं use करेंगे. Hypotenuse आ गया ना तो कैसे tan आएगा? Okay, so ACB is 60 degree in right angle triangle. Correct? Opposite side is AB and hypotenuse is AC. So what is the value I'm going to use? Sine. Okay, so what is the formula? Sine 60 is equal to AB by AC. What is sine 60 value? Root 3 by 2. So can I write root 3 by 2 here? Okay, so root 3 by 2, AB I have to, I got it AB 60 here, and then finally you will write AC. So cross multiply, you get the answer how much? 120 by root 3. But this is not the final answer. Always remember, root 3 should never come in the denominator. Root 3, root 2, root 5, root 7, it should never come in the denominator. It should go to the numerator. Okay, तो क्या हो जाएगा इधर? इसको सॉल्व करेंगे हम. रूट 3 ये 9th स्टैंडर्ड में आपने किया है, कोरोना के टाइम किया होगा. ओके, तो 120 रूट 3 by 3. So 3 and 120 cancel. So what is the answer? 40 root 3. But अगर रूट 3 का वैल्यू मालूम है, multiply by 1.73 and answer is 69.2 meters. Do you all understand? Okay, so what is the length of the string here? Okay, next question. Interesting. Let me see. This is new. No one has done it. Start solving it. Shreya, don't talk. Shreya, आगे आ जाओ. Don't talk. Take it seriously. Okay. Don't talk. Don't talk. Take it seriously. 2 hours we are going to study. हाँ, चलो. Questions करो. Write down the question. Those who don't understand and those who already know the basics, start solving it. Yes. Yeah, yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, okay. No, actually today is the last date. No, June 6th. Okay. No problem. Actually, which part did you apply? Part one or part two? Part one. Okay, so you didn't apply for the exam center and all. ठीक है, no problem. You can apply in April month. You have still one more attempt. No, 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 no. MDA today is the last day. Hmm. No issues. You focus on April month one. Hmm. Yeah, yeah. First cases, shall we check it? Okay, a contractor plans. There are how many slides here? Two slides. One for the students, those who are below the age of 5. Correct? So she prefers to slide whose top is height of 1.5 meter. मतलब 5 साल के बच्चों के लिए for 5 years kid the height of this slide will be how much? 1.5. So what is the height they are telling here? 1.5. And always here you should take it as 90 degree. Correct? Next, inclined at what angle? 30 degrees. So what is this angle here? 30. Did you all understand the first case? Okay, now for elder children, that means what should be the height here now? What is the height they are telling? 3 meters. Okay, and what is the angle of inclination here? Answer is here the value is 60 degree. Now in both the cases, okay, what you have to find? The length of this slide here and the length of this slide here. If I take two right angle triangle, that means I have to find the hypotenuse. Yes or no? Okay, so if I want to find the hypotenuse, okay, if I take these two triangles and now I know the opposite side and I have to find the hypotenuse. So what I am going to use again? Sine. Okay, so what is the value? What is the value here now? Suppose let us take the first triangle ABC. Okay, angle is 30. So I get sine, correct? AB. So answer is sine. I sine 30 is equal to AB by AC. What is sine 30 value? 1 by 2. Okay, AB is 1.5. And what is the AC you get here? That is 3. Okay, so in the first case, what is the length of this slide? 3 meters. And for the second case, can you find it out? For elder childrens, we have 60 degree. Okay, again I am going to use sine. Okay, sine is root 3 by 2 and PQ is 3. Correct, the height of this slide is 3 here. And here now I am going to take y. So if I cross multiply, you get 3 2s are 6. Look at this calculation. 6 divided by root 3. Can I write root 3 in the denominator? No. So I have to rationalize. So what happens? 6 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3. Then I get 6 root 3 divided by 3. 3 ones are, 3 twos are. And then what happens? Here I have 2 root 3. Root 3 value is 1.73. Okay, so the answer is 2 point, no, 3.46. Okay, just 0.46 meter, little lengthy compared to the children's. Okay, next, find the angle of elevation. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meters away from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower. Easy. Eh? Yes, very good. यस, इनको को कितना मिला? अनिरुद्ध, क्या हो गया? इनको कितना मिला? हाउ मच यू गॉट? विश्रुत, विश्रुत कल एब्सेंट था, राइट? Okay, look at this now. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower. So this is the tower here, observer, and then we have an object. So I'm going to take a point here. Okay, observer also I'll take it as a point, and this is the object. Okay, top of the tower. So now this is the line of sight, correct? And now from here I'm going to draw a straight line down. That should be, and the boy is standing from the tower how much distance? 30 meter. That is given in the question. So what they are asking? The height of the tower they are asking, correct? No, the angle दे दिया है question में, कितना दिया है? 30. So height of the tower we have to find. That means if I draw a right angle triangle ABC, okay, so what I have to find? AB I have to find. So if I take angle C, opposite by adjacent, opposite side I have to find. So what will I do? Sine, cos, tan, tan. Shall we check it now? Okay, so this is 30 meter. The AB is height. So in right angle triangle ABC, the observer angle is C. Opposite side is given, that is AB. Opposite side is given, that is AB, and adjacent side they have given, that is BC. So when opposite is known, adjacent is known, what I am going to find? Tan. So what is the formula for tan 30 now here? That is AB by BC. But what is the value of tan 30? You have studied in 10th standard, 1 by root 3. So substitute that value 1 by root 3. AB is equal to h meters and BC is equal to 30. Now you have to solve it. Okay, root 3 cross multiply. So h is equal to 30 by root 3. And can root 3 come in the denominator? No. So what I am going to do? Rationalize. Multiply and divide it by root 3. So this becomes 30 root 3 divided by 3. Now 3 and 3 tens will get cancelled. So 10 root 3 is the answer. Root 3 value is 1.73. So 17.3 is the answer. So what is the height of the tower here? Did everyone understand? 17 point root 3. Chalo. Wait a minute. Not this one. Okay, ready now? Few more tough questions now. Ready? A tree breaks due to the storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle 30-degree with it. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meter. Find the height of the tree. पूरा क्वेश्चन लिखो सब लोग. ये क्वेश्चन तुमने नहीं किया था, किसी ने भी कल नहीं किया था. आई गेव एन होमवर्क. 12 मीटर्स दिया था हाइट मैंने, करेक्ट? ट्री का हाइट मैंने 12 दिया था. या अभी इधर 8 है. डन. अच्छा, इधर ग्राउंड का दिया है. ओके. और कल का क्वेश्चन में पूछा था ब्रोकन हाइट पूछा था. ओके, ठीक है. लेट्स सी. Yes, what is the answer? Shall we check it now? Those who are not getting, look here. Look here, eyes on the screen now. Stop writing, stop solving. So this is the tree which is broken by the storm. Okay. A tree breaks. Imagine the height of the tree. I am taking it as AB. And imagine this is the point C where it breaks and it touches the ground. And what is the angle made here? 30 degree. So imagine this D point, okay, is how much degree now here? 30 degree. सबको समझ में आया? Okay. And what is the distance between the foot of the tree and the point where it touches? 8. So AD दिया है या AC दिया है या AB दिया है? What is given? AD. So what happens? AD is how many meters? 8 meters. So what is we have to find here? Height of the complete tree, not only AC. Height of the complete tree we have to find. Okay. So what I am going to do? पूरा height ढूंढना है मुझे. So can I say BC is equal to BD? Sorry, BC is equal to CD. Correct. So that is hypotenuse. Correct. So now this broken part is touching here. So BC is equal to CD. Now look at this. The diagram look like this. So here we'll go a little slow. Imagine AB is the height of the tree, breaks at point C. Okay, so BC represent the length broken part and AC represent the unbroken part. Observe AB now everyone. Can I write AB as AC plus BC? AC plus BC? Yes? Okay. So now AC, what is AC here? In right angle triangle, it is if I take angle 30, observe angle D. What is AC? Opposite side or adjacent side? Opposite side. Imagine, can you see that blue color angle which is blinking there? So वो angle के opposite side कौन सा है? AC है या AD है? AC है. So what happens for angle D? The opposite side is AC and the adjacent side is AD. So opposite is known, adjacent is known. What I am going to use? I am going to use tan. So what is the formula now? Tan 30 is equal to AC by AD. Okay, what is the value of tan 30? 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 is equal to AC divided by AD. What is the value we know here? AD we know. So can I write AC is equal to 8 by root 3. But root 3 will not come in the denominator. So, okay, we'll solve it little later. First we'll go on with the another bigger values now. Angle CAD. Okay. Adjacent side is AD and hypotenuse is how much? CD. Hypotenuse क्या है? CD. So अब यहाँ पे हम क्या use करेंगे? Cos. Okay. So now what happens? Cos 30 is equal to AD by CD. What is the definition of cos theta? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Okay. So now what is cos 30 value? Root 3 by 2. In 10th you have done it, right? AD how much we know? It is 8. Okay. And CD, do you know CD value? CD, okay. See, look here. CD is equal to BC. Do you all agree? CD is equal to BC. Correct? So directly I write BC. So what I get the value of BC is I get 16 by root 3. So AC you know. Look at this. Look at this corner here. AC आपको मालूम हो गया. Then you got the value of BC. Can I add AC and BC? What is AC value here? 8 by root 3. What is BC value here? 16 by root 3. So if I add this two, what I get? Okay, 8 by root 3 plus 16 by root 3. Denominator is same. I can add 16 plus 8. So I get how much? 24 by root 3. But root 3 cannot come in the denominator. So I have to rationalize it. So 24 root 3 divided by 3. That means 8 root 3. Correct? But root 3 value is 1.73. So what is the value here? 13.84 meter. Easy? Yes? Okay. Shall we move on with the next question? Okay. Write down the question and draw the diagram. And if you can solve, it's good. If not, you can look here. Yes. Can anyone show who is confident? Can you show me the diagram? क्या diagram मिला आपको? Tower किधर है बताओ? Okay. Okay. Yes, इधर अजय. Where is tower and where is transmission? Okay. Okay, look here. If you get the right diagram, you get the right answer. 20 root 3 minus 20. How can you get? आराम से. Look here, no problem. You trying good. इधर देखो सब लोग, eyes on the screen now. Look at the diagram. So here you have a tower, and above tower what do you have? Transmission, correct? This is the building, and above building we have transmission tower. So again a guy is looking, okay, bottom and the top of the transmission tower. First what they are telling, this boy is looking at the bottom of the transmission tower. The same boy is looking at the top of the transmission tower. And what is the angle it is changing here? 45 and 60. So this is the transmission tower. Can you all see this? Right? Okay. Up dekho. So bottom of the tower and top of the tower. 2 points we have seen. And fixed at the top of 20-meter high building. So what is the height of the building they have given? So it's easy now. Already the height of the building is given. So now the angles of elevation at the bottom we have. I'm going to draw it now. Height of the observer is neglected. I told you आपको इसका height consider नहीं करना है, तो मैंने ये point पकड़ा और ये point से bottom line ये हो गया मेरा line of inside, और ये ground level में एक line बनाऊंगा मैं. Yes, I can make a line in the ground. How much degree? 90 degree. And what is here? 45 degree, because the bottom is making what degree here? 45, and top is making how much here now? The top will make how much degree now? 60 degree. So now look at this. If I take it out and I make a right angle triangle, okay, I have to find the height of the tower. That's it. Okay, I have to find that. So I take it a diagram like this. The diagram look like this? Correct. So I have two right angle triangle. What are those two right angle triangle? Okay. AB represents the height of the building. Yes or no? Next, what is AB length they have given? 20 meters. And BC I have to find. That is the height of the tower. X I have to find. Next, total BC is equal to what? AC minus BC. ये देखो, पूरा AC क्या हो जाएगा? पूरा AC क्या हो जाएगा? AB plus इधर देखो पूछा, इधर देखो, पूरा AC क्या हो जाएगा? AB plus BC. Okay, so now if I want to find the value of X, what will I do? I have to find AB minus, okay, minus करेंगे एक value को. AB already I know, so only what value I have to find now? AC, right? Okay, so now look at this. I'm going to first find the needed thing. AD ढूंढेंगे पहले. For example, consider triangle BAD. Can you see the yellow color right angle triangle? Okay, so is it right angle triangle, everyone? Okay, observe triangle D. Did you all observe triangle angle D? सबको angle D दिखा है? How much degree? Okay. Now AB is given. That means opposite side is given, and I have to find the value of AD. Correct. So what I have to find? Base means adjacent or opposite? Adjacent. So look at this. In angle BDA, opposite side is AB and adjacent side is what? AD. Okay. Now what happens? Opposite and adjacent, what value you are going to use? Tan. Okay, so use tan. So what is tan 45 is equal to AB divided by AD. How many of you know the value of tan 45? 1. Very good. So 1 is equal to AB divided by कितना हो जाता है? AD. AB how much they have given? 20. So AD will be equal to how much? 20. सबको समझ में आया? Okay, now let us find AC. What I am going to find here? AC. What is AC? The complete height. Height of the building plus height of the what? Height of the building plus height of the tower. AC is equal to AB plus BC. So this is 20 plus BC. This is X. Correct? Okay. So now what happens? AC is equal to 20 plus X meter. Now take a bigger triangle CAD. I take the complete bigger right angle triangle CAD. Observe triangle D. How much angle you get? 60 degree. Okay, so angle 60 degree के opposite side में है AC. Yes or no? The opposite side is how much? AC. And adjacent side is how much? AD. Yes. So opposite is known, adjacent is known. What are you going to use? What are you going to use? Trigonometrical ratio. Tan. So tan 60 is equal to AC by AD. What is tan 60 value? Root 3. Okay, tan 60 value is root 3. So root 3 is equal to AC divided by AD. But what AC I got? 20 plus X. AD how much I know? 20. So can I solve it? Okay. Till here students will get. Some of them will find difficult in solving this. Look at this how to solve it. So first I'll multiply 20 root 3 is equal to 20 plus X. So now X is equal to 20 root 3 minus 20. So क्या हो जाता है? Yes, 20 को कॉमन निकालेंगे. रूट 3 minus 1. What is the value of root 3? 1.73. You can subtract this and you get 20 into 0.73 and the answer is 14.6. How many of you got 14.6? 14.6 is the right answer. Why you are not getting Anirudh and you? You got? That's what I'm asking. Raise your hand. Chalo, next question. Start doing it. विश्रुत को नहीं मिला? नहीं मिला? एटलीस्ट किधर तक मिला बताओ. उधर तक तो आया ना? ठीक है. Got Alan? What happened? Okay, shall we solve it now? करो करो. हो गया? 160 by? Yes. 2 point? 2.1 something? Okay. We'll check. Okay, look here now. Enough. You are taking too much time. You will get the answer provided you participate in the class. You are not participating, that's why you're not getting the answer. Whatever question I'm telling, just try to answer it. Imagine this is the statue. Okay, how much meter tall they have given? How much meter tall they have given? Yes. okay, on a pedestal. Pedestal matlab aise, no, this is the pedestal. Okay, so 1.6 meter, the statue height is given this time now here. And what is the statue here? Statue of Liberty. Okay, so this is the statue, and this statue height they have given how much? 1.6 meter. Okay, so this is the pedestal. Next, from a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degree. So there is a boy here, Raj. Okay, if I draw a point on the ground, the angle of elevation, okay, the angle of elevation, how much it is they have given? 60 degree. So can I draw a line and can I make this angle as 60 degree? Did you all understand? Making the diagram is very important here. Next, from the same point of the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal, that means यहाँ पे top of the pedestal, how much they are telling? How much? Yes, how much angle the elevation is? 45 degree. Did you all understand? Okay, so find the height of the pedestal. So this time the question is reversed. That's it. Last time the question was to find the height of the tower, but this time they are asking the height of the building here. That's it. So you get the diagram like this. Okay, now look at this. AB, okay, is the height of the statue pedestal that we have to find. Okay, next, height of the statue BC is how much meters they have given? 1.6 meter. Okay, AD, I don't know the distance of the boy is standing from the pedestal. So how much it is? X. The first I'm going to take triangle ABAD. Okay. So first observe angle D. सब लोग angle D देखो कितना डिग्री है? How much degree we have it here? 45 degree. So 45 degree का opposite side क्या है? Opposite side क्या है? AB. और adjacent side क्या है? AD. Now if you know opposite and adjacent, what value you are going to use here? Tan theta, right? So now tan 45 is equal to AB by AD. What is the value of tan 45? 1. So can I take 1 is equal to AB divided by AD, or AB is also written as H. Okay, so can I say X is equal to H? What does it mean? The height of the pedestal is equal to the distance the observer is standing. Correct? So keep this in mind. Now you take the second right angle triangle. What is the second right angle triangle here? Okay. Now look at the angle 60 degree. Can you see angle 60 degree? Yes? Okay. What is the opposite side of angle 60 degree here? Total side is AC. And what is the adjacent side here? AD. So opposite and adjacent, I am going to use tan. Tan 60 is equal to AC by AD. Correct? So tan 60 kitna hai? Root 3. So root 3 is equal to AC. AC can be written as H plus 1.6. Correct? H plus 1.6. And AD can be written as X. But I also know the value of X is equal to what? H. So look at this, what happens. I just cross multiply. Okay, X can be written as what? X can be written as H. So मैं X के जगह में उधर क्या कर रहा हूँ? H लिख रहा हूँ. H is equal to H plus 1.6. Now it is easy for me to solve. Root H minus H is equal to 1.6. Taking root 3 minus 1. Okay, and finally H is equal to 1.6 divided by 0.73. Correct? Okay, you have to take conjugate. Root 3 minus 1 हो गया ना इधर. इतना जरूरी नहीं है, 1.73 माइनस 1 करके जा सकते हो और फाइनल आंसर आपको मिलेगा कितना मिला? 2.184. 2.19 is also correct. So what is the height of the pedestal? 2.184. Did you all understand? Yes. This calculation is not necessary. You can directly take here 1.73 minus 1. You get 0.73 and you can calculate. ठीक है? हो गया? कितना मिला? लास्ट स्टेप नहीं आया. पेन मांग रहा है फर्स्ट बेंच में बैठ के. भूल गया. ऐसे ऐसे कैसे भूलता है? चलो दे दो इसको, पेन दे दो. चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन रेडी, और डू यू वांट द सॉल्यूशंस? वी आर वेटिंग फॉर सॉल्विंग सॉल्यूशन. आ गया आंसर आपको? गुड गुड. आगे बढ़ेंगे. इस्माइल, एलन, व्हाट हैपेंड एलन? Heights and distance. I think you went lot of height. नीचे आ जाओ. Come back to ground level. Okay. इसके बाद अभी there will be more interesting questions. Ready? Now there are two buildings. Hmm. Okay. करो अभी solve. You go by metro or bus or? Praveen? दो बिल्डिंग है अलग अलग. Okay. Do you want diagram or नहीं? करो करो good. Height of the building. 10. Ready? Solve करेंगे. कितना मिला आपको? 30 मीटर. ठीक है, चेक करेंगे. Yes. Okay, look here, diagram. Everyone, first check the diagram here. So these are the two buildings. The angle of elevation of the top of the building from the foot of the tower. This is the tower and this is the building. Okay. And now from the top of the building to the foot of the tower, मतलब नीचे point. ठीक है. एक point इधर है और दूसरा point किधर है? नीचे है. ये angle कितना दिया है? How much angle they have given? 30 degree. So can I take this angle as 30 degree? This idea is clear? Okay. Next, the angle of elevation of the top of the building, okay, to the foot of the building. So this is the observer here. अभी ये दोनों को मैंने connect किया. Okay, तो ये angle कितना दिया है? 60 degree. Okay, so now what I do? I try to connect a line here. This is 30 meter. The tower height, how much they are given? 30 meter. And what we have to find? Height of the building. So finally I have to find the height of the building. So now if I take this out, okay, I get this diagram. Yes or no? I get the diagram like this. So I have two right angle triangle. So let me take the first. Everything is given. AB, the height of the tower is 30 meter. Consider triangle ABC. First, I am going to consider triangle ABC. So, everyone eyes on the screen. What is the first triangle here? ABC. So now tell me, if I observe ACB 60 degree, 60 degree का opposite side क्या है? हाँ बताओ, opposite side क्या है? AB. Do you know the adjacent side? No, no, you don't know the adjacent side. They didn't give the distance also. So what I am going to use? Tan 60 is equal to AB by BC. Next what happens? Tan 60 is equal to root 3, not 1 by root 3. Root 3, AB हो जाएगा 30 और BC. Now can you find the value of BC? 30 by root 3. So क्या हो जाएगा? BC, okay, root 3. So 30 root 3 by 3. So कितना हो जाएगा आपको? BC 10 root 3, otherwise round figure 17.3. Correct. But now I have to find what? DC I have to find. Finally, what I have to find? The height of the building. Okay, DC I have to find. So now I got the value of BC, angle 30. Now look at this. I am taking angle 30 in right angle triangle DCB. So opposite side, what is the opposite side here? DC, correct? The opposite side what? DC. And what is the adjacent side here? BC. Do you all understand? So what values? Again I am going to use trigonometry function. Again tan. So tan 30 is equal to DC by BC. Tan 30 is how much? 1 by root 3. BC how much did I get? 10 root 3. So can I substitute here? 10 root 3 by root 3. So what is the value of DC here? 10. So the height of the building is 10. कहाँ पे गलत किया? Okay. चलो next question. क्वेश्चन लिखना है. Yes, answer. क्या हुआ? नेगेटिव में आ रहा है? फिर 40 मीटर हो जाएगा ना सेंटर बेस. इजी है, कुछ भी नहीं है क्वेश्चन में. दो अलग राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल है. Yes, Mokshit, you just draw a diagram and show me. What did you understand? Two poles are opposite, correct? 40 root 3 by 3. 40 root 3 by 3. Okay. So फिर उसका क्या हो जाएगा? कैंसिल. 40 root 3. Only one pole you have found? हाँ, two poles of equal height. मैं वही सोच रहा हूँ. 40 root 3 आएगा ना, उसको सिंप्लीफाई किया तो क्या आ जाएगा? ओके, चलो सब लोग इधर देखो. Vivek, look here. Everyone look here. Eyes on the screen. So this is the road. And how many poles you can see? Two poles. And what is the distance between these two poles? What they have given? 80 meters. Okay, the poles are of equal height. Both the poles are of equal height. And now they have told the distance between these two poles is 80 meter. How much meter it is? 80 meter. From a point between them on the road. From a point between them, it is not the center. Okay, the angle of elevation of the top of the pole is 60 and 30. Matlab, you take any point. You take here, you take here. Okay, any point. If I take that point here, the first angle, how much they are telling? How much they are telling here? Question में क्या दिया है? 60. तो ये angle कितना आ जाएगा? 60. Now look at this. When the boy, okay, the boy is looking this side, the angle is how much? 60. Now the boy is turning this side. Can you see the boy is turning here? How much angle he can see the top of the tower here? What they have given in question? 30 degree. समझ में आ गया? Okay. Now everything is given. So what you have to do now? Yes, we'll try to solve it now. Height of the pole, I have to find it. So both the height, one height if I found, I can find the other height also. So directly I'm going to take, okay. Dekho idhar, the total distance between two pole is how much? 80. So here, I don't know how much this distance is. So take it as x. This also I don't know. So both the data are unknown. So first what I do, let me take it as a rough diagram like this. ABE and EDC. So for example, here I have height is same, h meters. AC how much I have? 80. Can I take AE as x meter? I am taking AE as x meter. Let us find EC. Can I write EC as 80 minus x? Yes, this is 80 and x. So if I write AE plus AC is equal to AC, I get EC is equal to 80 minus x. Do you all understand? Okay. So now I got two base. Now take the triangle ABE. Okay, ABE. Angle 30 degree. Observe the angle 30 degree now. सब लोग 30 degree देखो. Opposite and adjacent. That means opposite side is H and adjacent side is X. So what I am going to use? Tan. Tan 30 is equal to AB by AE. What is the tan 30 value? 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is equal to AB by AE, otherwise H by X. Can I write it like this? So what is the value of X? Root 3H. Keep this in mind. Now take the second triangle, DCE. Do you all understand? I'm going to take which triangle here? Okay, observe angle E. How much degree it is? कितना डिग्री है? ओके, ऑपोजिट क्या है? H है. ऑपोजिट क्या दिया है? H. और एडजेसेंट कितना दिया है? EC कितना दिया है? 80 minus x. So if I substitute this in tan 60 is equal to CD by EC, tan 60 is root 3. You all know this. And CD value अभी CD का कितना दिया है? H. और EC कितना हो जाएगा? 80 minus x. Now I solve this. From here you get the answer. Look at this. Okay, root 3, 80 minus x. This 80 minus x will come and multiply here is equal to h. What is the value of x I got? x का value कितना है? root 3h. So मैं इधर substitute कर सकता हूँ इसको, right? So root 3. Okay, so I get it root 3 like this. H value I get like this. Finally, you get 4h is equal to 80 root 3. H is equal to 80 root 3 by 4. So h is equal to 20 root 3. Root 3 value is 1.73 and finally if I multiply I should get 34.6. क्या हो गया गलत? So none of them have got the right answer. मिल गया था, मिलने वाला था. Good. चलो okay, no problem. Keep trying. The answer is how much? 34.6. Solve it now. See, all the students they can draw the diagram, no doubt. They know the logic. Tan use करना है, sin use करना है. They know the logic. Where you will do mistake in solving these equations. You will do mistakes in solving this equation. यही हुआ ना अर्थ? यही गलत हुआ ना, right? जिसको नहीं आ रहा है equation solve, you come to me, I'll tell you. Yes. Shall we move ahead now? Next question करेंगे. खाली height of the pole पूछा है, right? Okay. In the next question, look here. अभी आगे वाला question extension क्या है? They had asked the height. We have found the height 34.6, 34.6. In the next question, they are asking the distance between this AC. So you got the value of x. Yeah. आपको solve करना है तो final answer आपको मिलेगा. So this is 60. अगर ये 60 है तो total वो 20 हो जाएगा. EC कितना हो जाएगा? 20, correct? Okay, fine. चलो. Next. Take it down. Next question. First try drawing the diagram. किसी को मिला आंसर? मैं नोटबुक चेक करूंगा, सब लोग सॉल्व करना है, ठीक है? Width of the canal. Ready? Yes, Ajay, Pujita, क्या हो गया? विश्रुत 10 root 3. Yeah, 10. 10. Okay. Width is 10. We'll check. Ready? 10 root तुमको कितना मिला? 17. चलो check करेंगे. Okay, so this is the canal and this is the tower. Okay. First, they have told a TV tower stands vertically on the bank of a canal from a point on the other bank directly opposite to the tower, the angle of elevation. Okay, so this is the tower here, you can see, and from here, the opposite side, from the point, you can see a yellow dot here blinking. So from here, if I observer and this is the object, if I draw a line, okay, line of sight, this makes an angle of elevation that is how much degree? 60 degree. Okay. Next, the same observer is going back how many meters? From another point 20 meters from this point on the line joining this point to the foot of the tower. Okay, so this, can you see this boy walking 20 meters back? दिख रहा है? Okay, so he walks 20 meters back. Now what happens? ये distance हो गया 20 meter. Now from this point, if I take an angle of elevation, this becomes how much degree? 30 degree. So you get a simple and an easy right angle triangle here. So here there are two things they are asking. Find the height of the tower and find the length of the canal. Correct? So first I am going to draw this diagram like this. We have two right angle triangle. What are those? ABC and ABD. Okay, look at this now. BC I have to find, take it as X, and AB is H. DC I know it is 20 meter. These are the data given. So first which triangle I am going to take? Triangle ABC. ठीक है ना? तो क्या होता है? Angle ACB में क्या हो जाएगा? Angle 60 degree opposite side. What is opposite side? H. And what is the adjacent side? X. So tan theta, tan 60 is equal to AB divided by BC. Okay, so root 3 is equal to AB is H and BC is X. So root 3x, right? H is equal to root 3x. Keep this in mind. Now I take another triangle that is ABD, the complete right angle triangle. And I am going to take angle 30 degree. So 30 degree के opposite side में क्या आता है? AB. That is AB is nothing but the height. And adjacent क्या आता है? BD. That is BC plus CD. So tan 30 is equal to, okay, it is like this 1 by root 3. Okay, AB is H, I write H, and BD, can I write BD as BC plus CD? X plus 20, I write it like this. So when I cross multiply, I get X plus 20 and root 3H. But I know H value is how much there? Root 3X. So can I substitute here? Okay, root 3X. So root 3 into root 3 becomes 3. So you get 3X here. So 20 is equal to 2X. X is equal to 10. So the length of the canal is 10. How many of you got 10? That is the right answer. Okay, and now height के लिए क्या करेंगे? 10 root 3. बस that's it, हो गया. 10 root 3. 17.3 is the height of the tower. सबको मिला ये? Yes, विश्रुत को मिला? चलो फाइन. क्या गलत किया? डायग्राम गलत हो गया. चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Ready? Take down. Yes. Right line. करो करो जितना आता है 90 degree. 90 होता है. The distance of okay, look here. Eyes on the screen here. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower from 2 points. There are 2 points. So this is the tower here. From top of the tower they are telling. Okay, this is the top of the tower. This is the base of the tower. Okay. There are 2 points on the ground. So this is the first point. This is 4 meter. And the second point. And what is the total distance? 9 meter. So what will be the distance between the 2 points here? 5 meter. 9 minus 4 कितना मिलेगा? 5, right? Okay, so now you draw an angle. The first angle, how much you get here? Have they given it? Nothing given. Okay, fine. Next, look at this. The straight line with it are complementary. Complementary is the clue. मतलब कितना होता है? Sum of the two angles, how much it is? 90. Okay. So now, if one angle is theta, if this is theta, so the other will be, if this is theta, this will be how much? 90 minus theta. Okay. So now can you solve it now? Prove that the height of the tower is 6 meter. Look here. You have to prove. First wait, look here. You have to prove the height is how much meter? 6 meter. So now take it as a right angle triangle. Okay. मैंने diagram draw किया है. So first you take AB as H, that we have to prove it as 6 meter. And now let me take the first angle ACB. The second angle 90 minus theta. First, what triangle I am going to take? ABC. So let us focus on angle BCA, that is theta. What is the opposite side I have? AB. And what is the adjacent side I have? AC. कितना है? 4. So हम tan theta use करेंगे. So tan theta is equal to AB by AC. AB का value कितना है? H. Correct? I don't know it. और AC का value कितना है? 4. Okay, keep this as it is. Okay, now the bigger triangle. Right angle triangle BAD. Okay, BAD. Look at this now. 90 minus theta. अब 90 opposite side क्या है? Participate. बोलो कुछ बोलो. Height कितना है? AB. Right? Adjacent side कितना है? AD. So tan theta is what? Opposite by adjacent. So tan 90 minus theta, AB is H. Okay, AB is H, and then AD how much you get? 9. Correct, by 9. Now look here, H is here, H is here. So can I say now the values will be equal? Correct, 9. Now I am going to solve it. We know that tan 90 minus theta is how much? Cot theta. So can I write here cot theta is equal to H by 9? Cot theta is equal to H by 9. Basic trigonometries. Okay. Because cot theta is 1 by tan theta. Or you can, okay, I am converting into 1 by tan theta. This is H by 9. So what is the value of tan theta here? 9. Okay. Now keep following. This I already got with the first triangle, and this I got with the second triangle. Look here, don't solve. So 9 is equal to 9 by h is equal to tan theta. 9 by h is equal to tan theta. So this tan theta value 9 by h, can I write it here? Right? So क्या होता है? Imagine 9 by h is equal to, okay, this is what? H by 4. I write h by 4. Okay, now 9 into 4, 36. H into h, h square. So what is the square root of 36? 6. Okay, plus 6 or minus 6? Square root of 36 is two values, plus 6 and minus 6. You cannot take minus 6 because the height of the tower will not be in minus. So what is the value? 6. So did you prove that the height of the tower is 6? That's it. ठीक है, चलो next. Write down the question, those who are not getting. लिखो लिखो, मैं बताता हूँ क्या करना है. Did you get the diagrams? Try कर रहे हैं? 57.5. root 3 by 3. Chalo, we'll check. Okay. Look here, it's taking too much time. इधर देखो सब लोग फटाफट. First try to understand what's happening here. A 1.5, everyone eyes on the screen. 1.5-meter tall boy is standing at some distance from 30-meter tall building. So here there is a building, and what is the height of the boy here? How much? In this case, you have to take the height of the observer. Okay, now you should not say that I am not going to take the height of the observer. In this case, you have to take the height of the observer. So what is the height of the observer here? 1.5 meter. So you have to keep this in mind. 30-meter tall building. So what is the height of the building here? 30 meter. Okay. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building increases from 30 degree to how much degree? 60 degree. When he walks towards the building or away from the building? Vivek, tell me what's the question? No, no, what I am asking, this boy is walking towards the building or away from the building? Stand up, stand up. Okay, answer, others answer karo. This boy is walking towards the building or away from the building? Towards the building. Okay, so now, so this is what is the first observation. Okay, he is observing, पीछे जाके खड़े हो जाओ, इनको disturb हो जाएगा. Go back. Okay, now this is the line of sight, and this is the angle, horizontal line. So the first angle, how much it is? 30 degree. Now this boy walks little bit forward. Okay, and see now, he's walking now, and from here, what is the angle now? And what is the angle now here? 60 degree. Okay. So now what happens? We have to find the distance he walked towards the building. Kitna distance wo chala. Matlab that value I have to find. Do you all understand? I take it as a diagram now. Just naming all the points. The diagram looks like this. Yes or no? Right? Okay. So first look at this. The height of the building is given how much? 30. But in this, what is also included? The height of the boy, that is 1.5 meter, is also included. Okay, so what I do first now? Okay, so first I find BG. What is BG? 30 minus 1.5. So how much you get? 30 minus 1.5? 28.5. So what is the height of the building now here? Yeah, 28.5, excluding the height of the thing. Now, EFCD, it looks like rectangle. Yes or no? It looks like what? Rectangle. So EC is equal to, okay, see that. EC is equal to FD. That is the distance covered by the boy is nothing but the FD value. Okay. Now GD is written as GF plus FD. Look at this. GF plus FD. Yellow line plus the blue line is what? GD. What is FD? FD can be written as GD minus GF. Yes or no? Tinku, don't talk. Okay. Abhi, do you know the GD value? Do you know the GD value? No. Do you know the GF value? No. So what I am going to do? First I am going to find the GF value. So first, which triangle I am going to take? Triangle BGF. What is the angle they have given? 60 degree. Okay, what 60 degree का opposite side क्या दिया है? 28.5. मुझे adjacent side ढूंढना है, correct? So opposite side, adjacent side. So tan 60 is equal to what I can take? Tan 60 is equal to BG by GF. Tan 60 is how much? Root 3. Okay, root 3 is equal to 28.5 divided by GF. How I got 28? 30 minus 1.5. Okay, so GF is equal to 28.5 by root 3. So GF is nothing but 28 root 3 by 3. Final answer you get, imagine, 9.5 root 3. So what is the GF value you get? 9.5 root 3. Now what is the next value you have to find? FD ढूंढना है आपको. क्या ढूंढना है? FD. Okay, so which triangle you will take now? Yes, you have to take now triangle BGD. Yes or no? Okay, so now what I take? Angle D. Angle D is 30. Opposite side is BG and adjacent side is GD. Okay, so now if I apply the formula, tan 30 is BG by GD. Tan 30 is how much? 1 by root 3. BG is how much? 28.5. So again you get how much? 28.5 root 3. Correct? Minus 9.5 root 3. अभी ये कितना मिलेगा? 19 root 3. Root 3 value you know it is 1.73. If you multiply, finally answer you get it as 19 into 1, 32.87 meter. How much you get? So can I say FD is equal to EC? Yes or no? FD is equal to AC. So what is the distance covered by the boy? 32.87 meters. So FD is equal to EC, 32.87 meter. That is the length traveled by the boy. Did you all get it? Yes? Chalo, start solving now. Yeah. Start solving now, quick. Ajao, Vivek, better. Focus in the class. Completed? Chaman? You got the answer? Anirudh, तुमको मिला answer? At least did you understand? If you didn't get the answer, no problem. But did you understand? Okay. चलो next आगे बढ़ेंगे. अजय पूछिए ready? Hmm. Completed? Hello. Hello. Yes, ma'am. Yes, speaking. Ma'am, right now I am in class. You can call me after 9:30. I am in class now. 58 root 3. 58 root 3. कितना मिला? Yes, Purvi, Pooja, Ajay. Okay. Shall we do it now? Eyes on the screen now. Look here. A 1.2 meter tall girl spots a balloon moving with the wind in a horizontal line. Imagine this is a girl and she's watching a balloon. Okay, and what is the height of the girl they have told? 1.2 meter. And the balloon is, what is that height here? 88.2 meter. This is the height of the balloon, right? And the angle of elevation from the balloon, from the eye of the girl. Eye of the girl, matlab yahan se. From the eye of the girl is how much? 60 degree they have given, right? So after some time, the angle of elevation reduces to 30 degree. That means if the angle is reducing, the balloon is coming towards her or going away from her. It is going away from her. Correct. Now the elevation angle is how much? 30 degree. But the question they are telling is that how much distance the balloon traveled. ठीक है ना? So the height remains the same, 88.2. Just name all the points. You get this diagram. Now take it outside. you have to find the QR value. Again you get the rectangle. Yes, you get the rectangle. Again the same story, you have to do the same thing what you did in the previous question. Okay, now you take the first triangle. Imagine you want to know QR. ठीक है ना, आपको QR चाहिए तो आपको P, you should know PR also and PQ also. Only when you can solve PQ, then you will get PR, and then you have to subtract to get the QR. This is 88.2. Okay, this is 1.2 is given. So everywhere the height will be 1.2. So what will I do first now? 88.2 minus 1.2. ठीक है? So how much you get? 87 meter. So now you have to take this as standard value. QR you have to find. Okay, so QR can be written as PR minus PQ. So my first target should be to find PQ. Let me take PQ first. So which triangle I will take now? Triangle BQP, correct? Triangle BQP. Now in right angle triangle BQP, you have angle 60 degree. Opposite side is 87 meter. Adjacent side you don't know. So what I am going to do? Tan 60. What is tan 60? You have root 3 is equal to BQ is 87 by PQ. So what is that? 87 by root 3. So take it, keep it in your mind. Okay, you can simplify this, you get this value 29 by 29 root 3 is the PQ value. आपको PQ मिल गया. अभी next आपको क्या ढूंढना है? Next you have to find PR, correct? So for finding PR, what are you going to do? Taking triangle DRP. So what I am going to do? Take angle 30 degree. Opposite side is 88.2. Sorry, 87. Tan 30. DR by PR. Correct? So here you get the value, PR value as, just solve this, you get 58 root 3. Okay, so you got the PR value 58 root 3, and for QR what are you going to do? Okay, just subtract 87 minus root 3, 29 minus root 3. Finally answer you get how much? 100.34 meters. So what is the distance the balloon traveled? 100.34 meters. ठीक है, समझ में आया? So this is the answer. You got the point here? चलो next question. फोर जीरो यस अजय पीछे स्माइल. I'll be checking your notes, okay? Diagram सब कुछ होना चाहिए. Look at this now. These are the two buildings now. These are the two buildings. One is short and one is tall. And now here they have telling that what is the distance between these two buildings? 10 meters. So down it is the distance is 10 meter, and from the top of the first building, which is 30 meters high, the angle of elevation at the top of the second is 45. So if I take first building here and the second building top here, the angle of elevation, okay, is how much they are telling here? 45. Okay, this is 45 and ये दिया है 30, the height of the building दिया है, right? So what is the height of the second building? That's it. If this is 30, this will be also 30, and down this is 10, so this will be x. So only thing you have to find the value of x. That's it, easy. So क्या करेंगे हम इधर, tan 45 is 1, that means x is equal to 10 हो जाएगा. तो 30 plus 10 40, आंसर is 40. सबको, कितने लोगों को 40 मिला? वेरी गुड, इजी है. पृथ्वी को मिला. No need to solve this question, direct answer. Yes, answer is 40. चलो next. Ready for next question? Take it down. Lighthouse. Now this time it is angle of depression. Ninety root 3. Root 3 value is given 1.73. 30. We'll check. रुको. क्यों, क्या हुआ, क्या गलत हुआ? Okay, look here everyone. So this is the lighthouse and here there is a ship. From the top of the lighthouse, the observer looks down. Okay, so this is the horizontal line and this is the line of sight. And the angle, how much they have told here? 60 degree, right? Okay. Next, what is the height of the lighthouse they have given? 90 meters. And now they are telling what is the distance of the ship. It is easy. Okay. So first thing what you have to do, if this is 60, this is always 60. Why it is like this? Because AE is parallel to BC. If two lines are parallel, alternate angles are equal. Alternate angles are equal. Seventh or eighth standard chapter. Okay. So after that, if you know this angle, that means what I have to find BC? Opposite side by adjacent. Opposite. So tan theta. Can I use tan theta here? Okay. So look at this. This is the angle. So here directly I use, okay, tan theta. Opposite side is AB, adjacent side is BC. Tan 60 is equal to AB by BC. What is tan 60? Root 3. And what is AB I have? 90. Okay, so what happens? BC is equal to 90 by root 3. Root 3 will never come in denominator. So when you simplify this, you get 30 root 3. Or 30 into 1.73. Yes, 51.9. 155 मिला किसी को? 90 into? नहीं, गलत. ओके, क्या हो गया, तुम्हारा भी गलत है, अजय का? ओके, फाइन. डिड यू ऑल अंडरस्टैंड? सिंपल. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Now instead of elevation, now you will have depression. That's it. 52, 52, 52.5. Yes, we'll go ahead now. इधर देखो. Again the same lighthouse, and now this time the top of a 75-meter height. Okay, chalo, we'll check it. Look here now. The height they have given how much? 75. Okay. Tushar, tell me what is the height? खड़े हो जा, खड़े हो जा. हाँ? सुना नहीं, दिखाई नहीं देता है. कौन से दुनिया में है? इंटरेस्ट है नहीं है? ऐसे नहीं चलेगा भाई. दिस इज द एज वेयर योर माइंड विल कीप गोइंग आउटसाइड. ये करना है, वो करना है, सब कुछ एनर्जी रहता है, टाइम रहता है, सब कुछ रहता है. पर ओके, लेकिन अगर मिस हो गया तो खत्म, समझने का, नीचे सीधा. ओके, योर पेरेंट्स दे आर डूइंग द ड्यूटी. इन फ्यूचर आपको ये मौका नहीं मिलेगा कि पापा मम्मी के ऊपर उंगली उठा के बात करने का कि आपने मुझे कुछ नहीं किया. ठीक है, समझ में आया? वो लोग सब कुछ कर रहे हैं, तुम लोग पढ़ाई नहीं कर रहे. बस यू आर नॉट वर्किंग हार्ड, दैट्स इट. The height is how much here? 75-meter. Okay, so now the angle of depression of the two ships they have given. So one ship is this, I think Pirates of the Caribbean. And okay, so here we have the first angle of depression. This is how much? 30 degree, 30 and 45 degree. तो पैरेलल लाइंस हो जाता है, करेक्ट. अल्टरनेट एंगल्स आर इक्वल. तो क्या हो जाता है? ये 30 हो जाता है और ये भी 45 डिग्री हो जाता है. सो डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड द लॉजिक ऑफ द एंगल्स हियर? Right? Then after that you need to solve it. So first you have to find AD. Yes, first if you get the AD value, it will be easy. AB is 75. AD you have to find. So first which triangle you are going to take? ABD. So opposite and adjacent, that is tan. So tan 45 is equal to AB by AD. Okay, so AD how much you get? 75. AD you get 75. Then you have to find DC. मतलब अभी angle अभी कितना है? 30. Again tan, correct? Opposite by adjacent. So tan 30 is equal to AB is how much now? 75. Now this will be 75 plus x, correct? 75 plus x. Now cross multiply. You get 75 root 3 minus 75. Take root 3 common. Final answer you should get it as, yes, it's right. So the first ship is at the distance of 75 and the second ship is at the distance of, you have to add 75 plus, okay, 54.75. Chalo. Next question. Yes, answer. Nineteen point. 19.1. Anyone getting answer? Okay, shall we do it? Look here, eyes on the screen now here. इधर देखो सब लोग, enough. You can just try it later. 19.11 or 1, it's okay. We'll check it. So from the top of a 7-meter high building, so here there is a building which is 7-meter high. So this height is given as 7 meter. The angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower is 60 degree. So from this top, okay, from this top, the angle is how much here? 60 degree. ठीक है? The angle of depression to its foot is 45 degree. मतलब इधर से नीचे ये हो गया 45, तो ये भी हो जाएगा आपका 45. Correct? This will be 45. So now they are asking what is the height of the tower. So you get the triangle like this. Okay, now the first triangle here, CD is the height of the tower, H I have to find. AB is 7, so ED will be how much? If AB is 7, ED will be how much? 7, correct? Okay, but I don't know CE, so can I take CE as X? Yes or no? So first I will find BD. After finding BD, I will write AE and then I will find CE. Okay, so this is how I am going to do it. So in CD, CE, the yellow color line, I don't know. So I will take it as H minus 7. Is it okay? I can take it as H minus 7 also, height minus 7. Now the first right triangle AED, what is the value here? 45. Okay, so tan 45 is what? Opposite by adjacent. Okay, so AE मुझे ढूंढना है, तो डायरेक्टली मैंने ऐसा निकाला 7 7 मिलेगा आपको. Yes. Otherwise you can say it is a square, तो वो भी 7 हो जाएगा. Correct? So AE आपको मिला 7. Good. Next, after that, now check the AEC triangle. Angle is how much here? 60 degree. Okay, so CE H minus 7. Okay, so कितना मिलेगा? Opposite by adjacent. So क्या करेंगे? Tan 60. So tan 60 is equal to CE by AE. So root 3 is equal to CE is H minus 7 and AE is 7. So can I solve it now? Okay, so root 7 root 3 plus 7 is equal to H. Okay, so here you have 1.73 and finally you have the answer as 19.11. How many of you got this? 19.1? Very good. That's the correct answer. Good. Now this question is in a reverse way. They are asking you the angle. Okay, they are asking you the angle directly. Completed? Just write down the question. You can take it, solve it later. Okay, take it as a homework. Question लिख के हो गया सभी का? Completed? देखेंगे देखेंगे. Okay, इधर देखो सब लोग. अभी ये है 2 poles of 18 meters and another is 7 meters and there is a rope tied. This is 22 meters. ठीक है? So these two thing and now they are asking how much is the angle with the horizontal. That's it. So 18 is the one pole, 7 तो उसको माइनस करो, आपको AE मिल जाएगा. ओके, उसके बाद में आपको हाइपोटेनियस है और ऑपोजिट साइड है. बस ओके, आपको वो लगाना है, मतलब साइन लगाना है इधर. यस, opposite by hypotenuse. So I think 2, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, something like that. 1 by 2, 30 degree. 30 degree is the answer. That's it. We have one more. I'll just run over the slide, just see how the questions are. That's it. We are done with the chapter of heights and distance here. Okay, look here. The angle of elevation of a cloud from a point 60 meter above a lake is 30 degree. and the angle of depression of the reflection of a cloud in the lake is 60 degree. Find the height of the cloud from the lake surface. It's like this. Observer, this is the cloud, this is the angle, and now reflection. And the reflection is making an angle of 60 degree. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's it. The diagram goes like this and you have to solve it. If possible, tomorrow we'll do it. Next, a straight highway leads to the foot of a tower. A man standing at the top of the tower observes a car at an angle depression of 30 degree, which is approaching the foot of the tower with uniform speed. 6 seconds later, time distance speed, the angle of depression of the car is found to be how much? 60 degree. Find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower. So here there is a man on the tower and he is watching a car coming at a uniform speed. So observer and the object here. So now the first I am going to make an angle, line of sight, and this is how much? 30 degree. Now the question says that 6 seconds later the car is traveling at a uniform speed. Okay. The angle becomes how much? 60 degree. And find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower. This is the question. So tomorrow we'll do this. CGL, MTS, income tax, IMA, everywhere these questions are asked. NDA, then you have SSR, Group X, Group Y. A man on a cliff observes a boat at an angle of depression 30 degree, which is sailing towards the point of a shore immediately beneath him. 3 minutes later, the angle of depression of boat is found to be 60 degree. Assuming that the boat sails at a uniform speed, determine how much more time will it take to reach the shore. So this is the cliff. The man is observing a boat there. Okay, line of sight 30 degree. Okay, now a boat after how many minutes? 3 minutes. Okay, it comes towards the shore. It is coming towards the shore. Same question, the car and the building. It becomes 60 degree and you have to find like this. Okay, what is the time taken? अभी इधर यहाँ पे पूछा है what is the time taken? That's it. ऐसे बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन है. Another I think 5-6 questions. Okay, this will do it tomorrow. ठीक है, चलो fine. Each one of you can bring your notebook here. Show me how much you have written and you can leave one by one.